Okay, so before I show my goat eating a banana, I wanted to show some of my other animals eating one, and just say thank you guys so much for 100 subscribers. It has been, I think, like 2 or 3 years, which is a while, but I've finally made it to 100 subscribers. I remember back when I first started my channel, 100 subscribers was like this crazy milestone that would probably never be reached, which is kind of odd, but I mean, I'm just grateful. But I definitely think my channel has grown. Maybe 100 subscribers isn't that big of a milestone, but I have like such an amazing community and there are so many people in it. And when I first started my channel, was lucky to get like 2 comments, and now I usually get, I don't know, 5. It's not that big of a difference, but like to me it is. It's amazing. Now, I'll stop yapping and let you guys just watch the video and listen to some music. Hope the video's worth the wait.